Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel. And if you're not new, welcome back guys, it's so good to see you again. So today I have a couple of subjects that I'd like to talk about in this video. I will be reviewing these two bags. So I'm gonna be talking to you about the Green Line Longchamp bags versus the Original Line Longchamp bags. So I want to just go really into depth about the differences between the two lines. Not a lot of people have a Longchamp store close by, so a lot of times they buy all their products online. And I really just wanted to go in depth about these two lines in particular, so that way you're aware before you make a purchase potentially online. And then I also wanted to share with you that this video, it's in collaboration with a wonderful jewelry company. Over at Idyl were so sweet and they did send me a few items I do want to share with you guys. I want to talk to you about this company because I find it's really kind of cool that you can buy fine jewelry at seriously fair prices, very reasonable prices. And I do want to talk to you a little bit about them. So with Idyl, they lab grow all their diamonds, which is absolutely awesome because it's less of a footprint on the planet Earth. There's less conflict involved with obtaining the diamonds because you can start out with a little small diamond and it can be grown in the lab into more of a perfect diamond, thus keeping the costs down, and they pass that on to the consumers. As well with Idyl, they use all 14 karat gold, real karat gold that's also conflict free. So it's really nice to know that they're using quality materials in their products. A lot of their items too, you can buy, can be interchanged within themselves. So I'm gonna show you some of the items that they did send to me, you guys. It was so thoughtful for them to send me this. Everything did come completely packaged very beautifully. I'm gonna dive into this and just try on a few of the items that were sent. Okay, as I open up the package, you guys, everything is so beautiful. It comes in these soft pouches here. So we'll find out what is in this first package right now. So, okay, wow, this is so sweet. So in this little soft little pouch, it's a great little makeup bag. It's made out of satin. They did provide a beautiful silk scrunchie. This is great. And then also they provided this mirror. I'm not gonna flash this on your face, but it is a mirror and it says Idyl on it. It's out of wood. It's beautiful. So that's really nice little gifts here to go with the jewelry that they did send. Okay, and then now to get into the goods, here's another cotton pouch, very nice. Okay, and inside we have a box. And then I am going to show you and bring this up close. Here are the items that were sent. So there's two sets of earrings. These are called the climbers. They are absolutely beautiful. They are on their website. And then I did choose to go with the single solitaire stud. I will put the names of each one of these climber earrings, but I will go ahead and try them on and then show you the close-ups of what they look like on my ears. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you guys up close. So this is the Live earring climber. So the stud, that's the largest one, that is actually the stationary stud that is inserted into the climber. This is actually the diamond stud that does have the actual like bracket with the the closure behind. So this just can be reinserted to any of the other jackets that you could use. But yes, this one is called the Live. And then moving down here to the necklace that I did select, this is the half carat solo stud. It's absolutely beautiful. I did choose the white gold. So it's really pretty. It's just a single solitaire. And then there are options to add further studs to, build upon this. So absolutely beautiful. The chain was separate, and then the solo stud is a half carat. Okay, now the final earring that I wanted to show you guys is called the Jill. And this is another climber. This is that same stud that came from the last pair pair of earrings that I tried on, but it's more of like a tree branch look. It's absolutely beautiful, and I just absolutely think this is gorgeous. It has a few diamonds there, but yes, it is a true climber. It's so pretty. It honestly gives me, it gives you the illusion that you have like double ear piercings. Now I only have my ears single pierced, but it is really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Idyl's website down below that you can click on, take a look, shop around. They offer both yellow gold and white gold options, and just wonderful prices for diamonds. You guys, diamonds and gold have really, really gone up in price. And because these are, again, are lab created, it's very sustainable, good for the planet, good for humanity, honestly. So check out them. I know if you do sign up with your email that you can get 10% off with just providing your email. That helps save quite a bit of money. So I will link down in the description box below their website to check out. And I just really want to thank them for the extra little goodies that were provided with the jewelry. Thank you so much, Idyl. And now we'll go ahead and get into the handbag comparison. All right, you guys, so starting off with the Longchamp Original Line. So this is the very first bag line that I ever did buy with Longchamp. They have discontinued and started up other lines just over the years, but this is kind of one of their long-standing lines that they do have. All of the original line of Longchamp nylons are created with the recyclable canvas now. Before, they did not use recyclable materials until they came out with the green line, and now I believe they've adopted that with all of their lines, which is awesome. So the originals, how you can tell apart from the original to the other lines is the originals are gonna have a brown contrasting leather trim. This is made out of Russian leather trim, and they use it on the snap closure, and they use it on the ears of the bag, as well as the handles. This is the medium-sized tote with the long handles. I'm just using it as an example, and it's in the color paprika. So beautiful for fall time. I think this bag is gorgeous, and it's gonna come out with me in the fall. With the original line, the hardware color is always going to be gold toned. Now, this is not like 24 karat gold by any means. This is just a gold coloring per the website. So gold button and then a gold zipper pull. With all the original line bags, you get in just like all the other pliage. The underside of the brown leather is gonna be a soft suede, and the zipper teeth are gonna be a regular small zipper teeth. The zippers are pretty smooth on the original bags, and I do have mine stuffed with other Longchamp goodies. But the nice thing about the new original bags is that there's a front pocket that's smaller here in the front, and then the back pocket is a decent space. It's a bigger pocket. I absolutely love this one in particular because it was a made in France, and I love that because Longchamp is a French brand. So I love that this one in particular is a made in France. A lot of them are made in other countries, which is absolutely fine. They're still great quality. So no, this is just a prime example of what the original line is like. Again, it's just, I think, a classy look because it has the brown trimming with all of the colors. So no matter what, this color can change all the time, but on the original lines, it's always gonna have the brown trim, and it's always gonna have the gold hardware. There is no horse and jockey that is here in the nylon. That will be in the next line that I do show you, so there is a little bit of a difference. The other important thing to know about the original line is that it is foldable. There is going to be a button here on the back. Some of the older lines, like the Neo, did not fold. The Neo's since been discontinued, but with the original line, they are collapsible, they're foldable, you can pack them in a suitcase, be on your way, and they're out of the way. So wonderful travel bags. Okay, let's go ahead and move on into the green line so I can show you the difference. Okay, so we're gonna go into the green line, and this is a bag I have had for years and years. When the first green lines were introduced, this was part of the new line. Now, this one's called Ocean, but they have another color out now. I'll pop that color down below, but it is so similar to the Ocean, and it's like they've reintroduced the color again, but it's called something different now. So on the green line bags, again, made with the recyclable nylon, and with the green line though, you do have a horse and jockey here, and it's made in a monochromatic color way to the nylon. And then all of the other trimmings are gonna be in a similar shade to that horse and jockey, or it's gonna be a very close shade to the actual bag itself. So it's not a brown at all. It is the same color as the nylon, very similar. The silver hardware is present, so all the green lines do have silver hardware. They have a silver zipper pull and then a silver button on the front and the back. And the green lines are collapsible as well. The green line also features a neon green ear glazing. So that's really that this is a green line bag is from obviously the green on the ears, and that's gonna be on every single green line bag. So if you're not a big fan of the green here on the ears, you may wanna choose to go with the original line, or just choose a different, like the Energy line or some other line that doesn't have the green on it. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's very casual. I'd say between the two of these bags, this one's a little bit more classier. This one's a little bit more casual, more sporty, more fun. This is a little bit more of a classy look because of the gold and then the brown as well. This is for sure fun, sporty. On the inside of the green line bags, they do now feature 2 interior pockets. This is one of the original ones that just has the one back pocket. So I think it was super smart that Longchamp did come out with new bags that had the front and the back pocket. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. It's the feeling of this nylon is the same exact feeling as the original line as well. Again, they're all made with recyclable materials, so they're all gonna feel the same. But no, that is really the rundown between the 2 lines, and they are priced pretty much the same, you guys, straight across for all the different models. At one point in time, I think the green line was a tad bit more, but I think now they're kind of matched up in price. So really, it's just, you know, one for one. It's just a matter of, do you like the silver hardware, more monochromatic look, or do you like the original, just more classic, chic, timeless look of the original? That is all I have for you guys today. I really appreciate you guys stopping by, and I really want to thank Idyl Jewelry again for sponsoring the video. And let me know if you guys have any questions about either the jewelry or the bags, and I'll link their website again in the description below. Thank you so much for joining me, and we hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.